Enzo's out, everybody.
Trying to make his way into the ring. All of a sudden, Enzo's an American Ninja Warrior. And big
all of that just to get your block knocked off. They tagged it right. American Ninja Warrior.
Now Big Cass sizing up the Big Show.
Does this thing look like a rat getting ready to eat half his cheese?
The world's largest athlete.
Ooh.
Perfect position timing, guys. That's it. And Big Show kicks out.
Wouldn't it be interference anyway for Enzo to just like...
Can't believe it. Big Show obviously not ready.
Bitch, I don't even know how to describe that right now. The way he oiled himself up and slid clean out of that damn... Like, I don't even want to think about it. I'm not even going to think about it.
Big Cass looking for a...
The Viper, you guys.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 250 pounds.
Here we go.
Viper.
This might be a hot match, though. I mean, I don't know. I'm just happy he's not, you know, facing Jinder Mahal anymore. We'll see what he does to Rusev tonight. And just like that, you guys, the match is over. I do apologize. Like, bitch, I literally went in the kitchen, went to get some scissors to cut open a bag of potato chips. And bitch, they was already Rusev was already down for the count. 1, 2, 3. Like, it's ridiculous. SummerSlam 2017. Bitch, I heard voices in my head. And they said that match was too quick. Like, what? Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, Rusev. The perfect predator. Randy Orton. That was a quick ass, hot ass match. I don't even know anymore. I don't even know.